Thank you for watching this video. In this channel, you and I will be reviewing different cars and learn at the same time. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider joining us. If you're a subscriber, please click the like button. Thank you. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Ju from SoJooCars, and today I'm here in Chery Auto Pasig to review this Tiggo 7 Automatic. Tiggo 7 Automatic, this is the only variant and it costs 1.195 SRP. So 1,195,000 pesos SRP. Please be informed that all Chery cars now come with 3-year preventive maintenance package for free and 5-year warranty for general vehicle warranty and 10 years warranty for the motors. This Tiggo 7 has 4,505mm by 1,837mm by 1,670mm. This is a 5-seater and it has Euro 5 1.5 liter turbocharged intercooler. It can do 145 horsepower, 210 Newton meters of torque. It has 6-speed dual clutch transmission. It has ventilated disc for the front brake and rear disc brake. And it only comes with 2-tone 18-inch alloy wheel. Tiggo 8 comes with anti-lock brake system, electronic stability program, hill start assist, dynamic track reverse image, that's the backup camera, electronic brake force distribution, emergency brake assist, hill descent control, front and reverse radar, traction control system, and cruise control. For its comforts, it has push start button, remote control window, multi-function steering wheel control, automatic LED headlights, electric adjustable headlights, and rain sensing wipers. It also comes with panoramic sunroof, luggage roof rail, fog lights, and daytime running lights. And it also comes with the step sills that glows with the Tiggo. The headlight, these are really nice headlights with the projector type and the combination of halogen type. You have chrome that goes all the way there, and I really like the design of the front grille. They're in piano black, glossy, and it really looks like a Mercedes-Benz or in some sort of. And you have your fog lamp with chrome, hard plastic, gray plastic, some air path, and that's how it looks like. This is an 18-inch wheel with ventilated front disc brake and 2-tone alloy wheel with a Chery. Looks like that. And you have side repeater or turn signal here, and that is why you don't have them here in the side mirror. This variant doesn't come with a camera or blind spot warning. That's the side panel. You have some chrome claddings. This car comes with smart keyless entry, so when you're and your physical keyhole, chrome accents, roof rail, of course you have your panoramic sunroof and your antenna, gas cap, rear combination lamp which looks nice, fog lamp and your reverse light, and the sensors. You have 4 points over there. And this is the exhaust. Tiggo 7. Your camera, your lights, tow hook, reverse and fog lamp or park lights, your wiper, top mount brake light, spoiler. Let's go inside. Oh, the key's not here. And this is how the key looks like. Looks like that. Now I have the key. Press the button and the side mirror will auto unfold. Let's go inside. This is how the door panel looks like, and it is illuminating. The Tiggo step stool. Soft leather, fabric, hard plastic, brushed aluminum, speaker, hard plastic, compartment, and your speaker with a Tiggo. So let's go inside. Oh, before we go inside, it's a manual seat adjust, footrest, brake pedal, accelerator, hood release, gas cap release, light leveling, side mirror adjustment, power fold, traction on and off, steering wheel control, and your automatic light system, and your air vent and more vent over there. Let's go inside. So that's how it looks like. Look at the instrument cluster. It's a combination of analog needles and a colored LCD at the center. Yeah. You can switch from eco mode to other mode. Let's open the panoramic sunroof so we have more lighting. So let's start from the steering wheel. Tiggo 7 comes with steering wheel controls, your audio controls, and your cruise control. Airbag, brushed aluminum and leather with stitching. Automatic light control with fog lamps, and also you have your rain sensing windshield wipers. It's really neat. Your touch screen, your air vents. These are hard plastic, air vents, speaker, the glove box for your entertainment. There. For your entertainment, you have your radio, media, and phone. This is a touch screen. I'm wearing a glove right now. They're integrated, but they're seamless. It's really fast. There's no delay. That is really nice. And you can even mirror your phone or smart devices using a cable. Buttons here for your media, and you can also have different vehicle settings, display settings, and system settings. Auto light, DRL, rear camera, yes. Oh, nice. And then security tips, horns, instrument time, instrument backlight. We have all those. We have the air conditioning system. It's an automatic air conditioning system. The really nice thing about the Chery vehicles is that you have your volume control here, which is really nice and so big. I love it. Push start button, your transmission, leather, gloss black, cup holders. You have your USB port, 12 volt, and your center console. You can put something there, and sunglass case, your panoramic sunroof controls, and your map light control. And we have a standard room mirror. We have vanity mirror with vanity lights. We have mirror with lights. This is really cool. Then grab handles. Now for you to open the sunroof, you just have to use this one, and the sunroof will open like this, and it's a panoramic one. Oh, it's like that. It's really nice. And let's go to the back. The back, we have fabric, soft leather, power window, and speaker, and all that. Step stool, leather seats, which are really comfortable. There are air vents for the rear, 2 of them. This is really nice. You have cup holders on your armrest. There are lots of windows there, and everywhere. So you feel very spacious when you're here. This car is really spacious. Really spacious. Oh my goodness. I'm like 6 feet tall, and really, this is really comfortable. I can even spread my legs. And the tunnel is very low. All passengers have their own headrests. And this is how it looks like from the back. Let's get to the trunk. So for you to open the trunk, the button is right here. And the camera comes together with it. There are lights, handle. There's light over there. You have your spare tire, which is the donut type. And your jack and tools are there as well. Compartment. You can even fold the second row. More compartment in case you get stuck. And you can close it like that. So let me show you how Chery Tiggo 7 looks like with the lights on. The space is a bit tight, so I need to go the other way. There. See this white lights and yellow light and yellow light. So because of the white light over there, it really makes the car look nice. I don't have enough space here, so please bear with me. I'll show you at the back. So the back looks like this with the fog lamp and the park light as well. And the light here for your plate number is white, which makes the car look more premium. Let me show you the engine bay. So this is how the engine bay looks like. Thank you everybody for watching this video. This was a very short review of the Tiggo 7. I will leave the contact details in the descriptions below. So please contact Chery Auto Pasig for your Chery concerns. Thank you everybody for watching, and may your dreams come true. Bye.
Please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Thank you everybody. May your dreams come true.